7 light and healthy dinner recipes. Explore a medley of meals with 7 light, healthy dinner recipes. Bursting with nutrition, these are easy on the waistline yet big on flavor. Create vibrant rainbow veggie wraps with roasted vegetables. The creamy tahini lemon drizzle adds a refreshing flavor explosion. Experience Mediterranean flavors with roasted salmon in a fragrant lemon herb sauce. This dish is a symphony of taste, accompanied by a variety of roasted vegetables. Savor the exotic coconut curry lentil soup with naan. Fragrant coconut milk, lentils, and fresh herbs combine to warm your soul. Rethink pasta night with shrimp scampi atop zucchini noodles. Garlicky shrimp and cherry tomatoes in a white wine sauce offer a light and satisfying alternative to heavy pasta. Enjoy the simplicity of one-pan roasted chicken with Brussels sprouts and sweet potato. This oven-roasted feast is a weeknight hero, seasoned with rosemary and thyme. Spice up dinner with black bean burgers topped with avocado crema. Experience an explosion of textures and tastes with this veggie-packed, flavorful burger. End dinner sweetly with Greek yogurt parfaits. Layers of yogurt, fresh berries, granola, and honey make a dessert that's both delectable and good for you. Enjoy these healthy, flavorful dinners.